guys, so today's Halloween and we decided to do a little last minute super bad costume stuff. I'm going to be a NERF war agent because that's the only thing that I have. Peter's also going to be an agent and he doesn't want to do it, but I think it's really funny. I'm just going to vlog and then we're just going to go trick-or-treating. Yes, I know we're like 20-year-olds going trick-or-treating, but it's going to be exciting. Free candy. All right, see you guys soon. Oh my goodness, we just got outside and there's like no one walking outside.
I gotta go in the neighborhood. So.
Yeah, we live by like a whole bunch of apartments, so that's why there's not a lot of people walking, but what?
Are we going over there?
Which way you want to go?
To the right.
Okay. Anyway, so just walking still. Oh yeah, we have our high school, Oshkosh West. We're the Wildcats. Just in case people ask us which school we go to.
Alright, ask me, yeah. I'll stay over here.
Hey, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay over here.
I'm gonna make like a kid voice.
I'll just stay over here. You can do your thing. Embarrassing.
At least it wasn't like an adult. I think that was an Asian house, right?
I don't know. I can't tell.
So Peter decided to quit. He's going to vlog me instead because he's too scared. He looks too mature. But I'm so excited, so free candy. Could have been a jerk and taken like the whole bowl, but I was being nice. So I'm making Peter do at least one house. He says he looks too old, but I told him to put sunglasses on even though it doesn't really make a difference. Anyways, there's a couple houses. We're gonna keep going. Too scared, so the access treat is for him. See? You should just come.
No.
They're just old people. They're nice and cute.
They are, but all's worth for like 10 pieces.
We're back home. This is all the candy that we got. Yay! So happy! But this is only for an hour of trick-or-treating. I wish we went an hour earlier so that we could have gotten more, but I'm so excited to eat all this candy. Peter didn't want to go because he was too scared, but he only went to some houses. He was too scared to go to the other ones, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe. like it up, comment below on anything that you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys next time.